Hello, I'm Jeff Buchanan with Wood Chipper Safety Shield. This is a Vermeer BC 1800 XL machine. We have a wood chipper safety shield mounted on it. It's a 2013 year model. You're going to see that there's a reset here. This reset is for initiating the machine and or starting it again after the feed rollers have stopped. I'm going to go over some quick safety features with this machine. It has a bottom bump bar on it, so if the operator's standing here in the back of the machine and he bumps against this, it will stop the feed rollers. It has a 4-position control bar. Pushing this all the way, bringing this bar all the way back stops it, and 2 clicks forward puts it in a neutral position. So all the way back stops, in the middle it puts it in a neutral position and stops those feed rollers. However, if an operator for whatever reason decides to climb up on top of the machine and he'll bypass this safety device, and if he's hanging onto the top of this machine, he is in danger without having the wood chipper safety shield on here. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how the wood chipper safety shield works by starting the machine, and it's going to be at an idle speed, only in reverse, and I'm going to show you how it stops with my feet and stops with my hands. Right here we have some bracelets that the operators would wear, and these would go on the boot laces or the shoe laces, depending on what the attire the person is using. Initiate the machine by hovering my magnet right next to the reset. Starts the feed rollers going. I'm going to climb up on top of the machine, and you're going to see it stop pretty quick. See, if I put my hands too far in the machine, it stops. Initiating from the other side. And it stops. Show you that there's no dead zone in this machine. A wood chipper safety shield enhances the safety of every wood chipper. It goes far and beyond performance-based training. It makes the wood chipper much more safe for the guys to operate. For the lack of judgment, the guy climbing on top of that machine, this will interrupt those feed rollers and have the potential to save a lot of lives and a lot of limbs. Thanks for watching.